This script allows you to quickly and easily animate the movements of head or facial expression, to simulates a 3D face through a parallax system. Above all, we have to define your items, and rename them so what the script will automatically recognize them later. Simply select one or more layers, then click on the corresponding area on the face of the script. For example, if you select only one eye, it will simply rename it eye, but if you select both eyes, the script will also show which is to the left or right. If you stay a few seconds on part of the face of the script, indications appear to specify which part it corresponds to. With one click, the script will find parts of the face previously named, and assign a motion parameters to each of them, to simulate a 3D face. If you want, you can set absolutely everything, but we'll come back to this in another video.